If you have Alipay, whether you have been using it for a very long time or you are new to Alipay account and you want to check if your account has been restricted or your Alipay account has been frozen in terms of receiving or sending out payment, how can you check it in Alipay and fix the problem without any stress? Let me show you how. First, open up your Alipay app. Have you opened up your Alipay app? Next thing you want to do is that you need to go ahead and click on message right here. In some cases, if you have account restricted or account frozen, there is always a notification message at the top right here. Go ahead and click on notification and check the type of restriction you have in your Alipay account under Alipay service. If you cannot find it right here, there is another way to check for account restriction in Alipay. Let me show you how. Go ahead and click on back. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on the profile icon. Then click on the setting icon from the top. Then click on general. Then click on account and security. Then click on Security Center. Then here we go. Real-time security checking. If there is any issue with your Alipay account, whether account frozen or account restricted, you can see the options in the restriction right here. Go ahead and click on restrictions. So here we go. There are no security restriction on the account. If there is any restriction or account frozen, the statement is going to be given right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on account security check, and then from here you will know the actual account that has you will know the actual features that have issue in your Alipay account. Then from here you can easily contact Alipay support to fix your Alipay problem. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.